So next is your page number 67. So everyone look on the page number 67. Here again we have to subtract it. Okay, हमें यहाँ पे वापस से subtraction करना है. First is 5 minus 2, यानी 5 में से हमें कितने subtract करने हैं 2. So now I'm showing subtraction on our fingers. First कौन सा number है 5. So I'm counting this portion we consider 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we count 5. Now from 5 how many we have to subtract 2. ये 5 में से हमें कितने सब्ट्रैक्ट करने हैं, यहाँ तक 5 काउंट किया, उसमें से हम 2 कट कर रहे हैं. सो 1, 2, ये 2 कट कर लिए. हाउ मेनी रिमेनिंग? सो 1, 2, 3. व्हाट वी गेट आंसर स्टूडेंट्स? 3. सो 5 minus 2 वी गेट आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज 7 minus 7. सो हियर यू कैन सी द सेम नंबर में से हमें सेम नंबर subtract करने हैं. So this one you all know that if we are subtracting from the same number subtraction we always get answer 0, right? अगर 7 में से 7 पूरे ही कट कर देंगे तो हमें कुछ बचेगा? कुछ? No, nothing. So that means 0, right? The next is 8 minus 4. Which number is first one? 8. So here I am counting number 8. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here 8. Now 8 count हमने यहाँ पे mark लगा दिया. Now how many we have to subtract students? 4. कितने subtract करने हैं? 4. So याद रखो यहाँ तक हमने 8 count किए थे, उसमें से अब कितने कट करेंगे? 4. So here I'm cutting 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 I have cut. Now after cutting 4 how many still remaining? So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many remaining? 4. So 8 minus 4 we get answer 4. Understood everyone? Right? The next one is 3 minus 1. Right? So 3 हम ऐसे भी count कर सकते हैं. 1, 2, 3. Now from 3 how many we have to subtract? 1. So 3 में से हमने ये 1 कट कर दिया. After cutting 1 how many remaining? 1 and 2. So 3 minus 1 we get answer 2. Here also we are having 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 means students if we are subtracting 0 from any number we always get that number as a answer, है ना. 4 minus 0 यानी 4 में से 0 means हमें कुछ भी subtract कुछ भी कट नहीं करेंगे, तो जो नंबर है as it is आंसर में हमें मिलेगा. right? Next is 6 minus 5. So students if we are doing 6 minus 5 what we 6 minus 5 we get answer 1. And section over here now we will do. Here first one already solved. 2 minus 0 is equals to 2. Next is 9 minus 7. So here 9. So I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. From 9 how many we have to subtract? 7. So I am cutting 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have cut 7. After cutting 7 how many still remaining? So 1, 2. So what we get answer? We get answer 2. Yes or no? Next 3 minus 0. So if you are subtracting from any number, if you are subtracting 0, so we get always that number जिसमें से हम subtract करें ना 0 वही जो number है same as it is answer. Okay? Next 8 minus 8. So here you can see both the numbers same. So same number subtraction if we are doing, so we always get answer 0, है ना. 8 सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे और 8 कट ही कर देंगे तो कोई सर्कल हमारे पास बचेगा? No. So that means we get answer 0. Right? Next 6 minus 4. So I am drawing 6 circles like this. How many we have to cut? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have cut 4. After cutting 4, how many remaining? 1, 2. So 6 minus 4, what we get answer? We get answer 2. Last one, 4 minus 2. So here you can do it on your fingers. 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from 4, how many you have to subtract? 2. So 1, 2. After cutting 2, how many remaining? 1 and 2. So 4 minus 2, we get answer 2. So understood everyone? Page number 67, all the subtraction. So on page number 68, we have to write the missing numbers, right? So students, we will start with the first one. 8 minus blank is equals to 7, right? Here you can see in this all three sums, there is a middle one numbers means center numbers missing, and here all the first number missing, right? यहाँ पे आप ध्यान से देखोगी तो ये वाला नंबर मिसिंग है एंड हियर द फर्स्ट ऑल द नंबर मिसिंग. ये वाला मैं बाद में बताऊंगी कि क्या करना है, बट हियर अगर आपको पता चले स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू फाउंड टू राइट दिस मिसिंग नंबर मिडल वन, दिस वन, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपके पास ये जो फर्स्ट नंबर है वो नंबर के अंदर से आपके पास जो आंसर इक्वल्स टू के बाद ये जो नंबर अवेलेबल है, ये नंबर में से ये नंबर माइनस करने हैं टू गेट दिस मिसिंग नंबर, राइट? From the first number, you have to subtract this answer to get this middle one missing number. Understood? In every sum, you have to do like this. That from the first number, you have to subtract the answer to get the missing number. Yes or no, everyone? So you have to remember while you are while you have to find out this missing center number, right? So from the first number you have to subtract the answer. Got it everyone? So for this missing number we have to subtract 7 from number 8. So for 8 I'm drawing 8 circles. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So for 8 I have drawn 8 circles. Now from the 8 how many I have to minus? 7. So I have to cut 7 circles. So here I am cutting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here I have cut 7 circles, right? Now after cutting 7, how many still remaining students? Only 1 circle. So that means 8 minus 7. So we get answer 1. Yes or no everyone? I will cross check my answer. मैं अभी आंसर को क्रॉस चेक भी कर रही हूँ. How 8 minus, if I will do 8 minus 1, I will get 7 or not? इससे हमें पता चल जाएगा ना कि हमारा ये जो 1 आंसर है वो राइट है या रॉन्ग. यानी 8 में से अगर हम 1 माइनस करेंगे तो अगर 7 आंसर आए दैट मीन्स आवर आंसर इज रॉन्ग. इफ नॉट दैट मीन्स रॉन्ग. सो हियर 8 सर्कल्स. सो आई एम ड्रॉइंग इट. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many I have to subtract? 1. So I will cut one circle. After cutting 1 circle, how many still remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many remaining? 7. So we get answer 7 students. Yes or no? So that means our one answer is right. Got it everyone? So that means every time we have to subtract from the first number the answer to get the missing number, right? So next one, 5 minus blank is equals to 1. So same, we have to subtract from the 5 this answer. So 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. Understood? If we do 5 minus 1, we get answer 4. Understood everyone? Next one, 3 minus blank is equals to 3. So same, from the first number you have to subtract this answer to get the missing number. So 3 minus 3 is equals to what? So here you can see same number subtraction, right? So if we will subtract the same number, so we always get 0. हमें क्या आंसर मिलेगा? 0. जब हम same number subtract करते हैं ना, so we get answer. And this one is a simple subtraction. 9 minus 2, we have to find out the answer, right? So if we will do 9 minus 2, what we will get answer, students? So 9 minus 2, we get answer 7. Yes or no everyone? Here first missing all the numbers. Blank minus 2 is equals to 3, right? Students, see, if we will do this subtraction of these two number, here also we do subtraction. जो numbers हमारे पास available थे उसका subtraction किया तो हमें जो missing number मिला वो हमारा answer भी right हो गया. Now we will check if we will do subtraction of these two number. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 if we will do, what will get answer, students? So here 3 minus 2. So here 1, 2 cut. How many remaining? 1. So if suppose I am writing 1 over here and 1 minus 2 करेंगे तो क्या हमें आंसर 3 मिलेगा? Is it possible to subtract from 1 number 2? 1 में से हम 2 को subtract कर सकते हैं students? No, never. Why? Because 1 is smaller than 2, right? 1 small है ना? So here we can't do the subtraction. Now what to do? How we will find out this number? So students, for that अगर subtraction नहीं हो रहा है, so we will do the addition. हम क्या करेंगे? We will do addition of these two number, 2 plus 3. So here I am drawing 1, 2, for 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now doing addition means we have to count this all the circles all together, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What will get answer? 5. So here students, if I'll mention 5. Now I will check 5 is right answer or not. 5 हमारा right answer है या नहीं वो भी हम check करते हैं, ठीक है? Here what it is given? Number 5. So I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 circles. Now from the number 5, how many we have to subtract? 2. So I will cut 2 circles, 1 and 2. Now after cutting these 2 circles, still how many remaining? 1, 2, 3. So 3, so your answer is 3 is there. So that means 5 is the right answer. तो हमें अब यहाँ पे क्या करना है? So जब हमें ये first number missing हो, so every time we have to do these two numbers addition to get the first number. Yes or no everyone? So next one, blank minus 3 is equals to 5. So again we have to do the addition of 3 plus 5. So what we will get? 3 plus 5, right? So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. 3 plus 5 we will do, we will get answer 8. Next one, blank minus 2 is equals to 0. अब कौन से नंबर्स के अंदर अगर हम 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे सो हमें 0 आंसर मिलेगा. सो दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू ऐड दिस नंबर. सो 2 plus 0, we all know what we'll get answer. We get answer 2. 2 plus 0, 2. Right? So that means 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Same number subtraction. The last one, blank minus 2 is equals to 7. So here again, for to find out the first number, we have to do the addition of these two numbers. So 2 plus 7. What will get answer, students? 2 plus 7? 9. So 2 plus 7, we get answer 9. So that means 9 minus 2 is equals to. Till now, students, I have complete you chapter number 4, subtraction in a textbook. Now, regarding this lesson, I am having one exercise which is extra, just for your better explanation, right? What is this question? CROSS means cross. OUT out, THE the, WRONG wrong, ANSWER answer. Cross out the wrong answer. क्रॉस आउट यानी आपको ऐसे क्रॉस मार्क लगाना है जो रॉन्ग आंसर दिया है, राइट? So here you can see subtraction sums given and here you can see circles to answer given. अब आपको ये सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के बाद जो आंसर रॉन्ग है यानी राइट आंसर, आफ्टर राइट आंसर जो आंसर रॉन्ग है उसके ऊपर आपको ऐसे क्रॉस मार्क लगाना है. क्लियर एवरीवन? सॉल्व इट फर्स्ट. फर्स्ट इज 8 minus 5. So students, you have to count in your fingers first of all 8. So I'm counting. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So till here I have count 8. Yes or no? Okay. आपको भी मेरे साथ फिंगर्स में काउंट करना है. Come on, do it. So 8 I have count. From 8 how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract 5. अब जहाँ तक हमने 8 काउंट किया ना उसी में से अब 5 कट करने हैं. So start from here. 1 2 3 4 5. So I have cut 5. Now after cutting 5, still how many remaining, students? So 1 2 3. How many remaining? How many remaining? 3, right? So we get answer 3. So 5 is the wrong answer. So we have to put a B cross mark on the number 5 as we get 5 as a wrong answer. Right? Understood? 8 minus 5 we get answer 3. So 5 wrong answer. So we have to put a cross mark on number 5. Understood everyone? Now second question. 9 minus 9. So now students, here you can see same number, right? So I have already told you that if we are subtracting same number, अगर हम same numbers का subtraction करेंगे, so we always get answer 0. क्या आंसर मिलेगा हमें? 0. So 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. So here which one is the wrong answer? This one, 9. So we have to put a cross mark on the number 9 as 9 we get as a wrong answer. Understood everyone? Now next is number 3. 1 minus 0. Now students, 1, how many we have to subtract? 0. 0 means what students? Nothing. अब 1 में से nothing यानी हमें कुछ भी subtract नहीं करना है. So what we will get answer if we are subtracting 0 from the 1? So as I told you, whenever we are subtracting 0 from any number, we always get that number as an answer, right? So that means if we are subtracting 0 from the 1, we will get answer 1. So here 1 is our right answer. So that means 0 is the wrong answer. So that means we have to put a big cross mark on the number 0 because 0 is the wrong answer. Next one, question number 4. 7 minus 5 is equals to what? So which number? 7. So I'm counting on a finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Right? So till here I have got 7. now from this 7, how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract 5. So now from this 7, I have to cut 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So till here I have cut 5. So after cutting 5, still how many remaining? So 1 and 2. How many remaining, students? 2. So that means 7 minus 5, we get answer 2. So that means 3 is the wrong answer. So we have to put a big cross mark on number 3. Understood, everyone? Last one, which is your number 5. 4 minus 3. What we have to do, students? From the 4, we have to subtract 3. So first of all, I am counting number 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here till here we have count 4. Now from 4, how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract 3. So from this 4, we have to cut 3. So here see I am cutting 1, 2, 3. So I have cut 3. So after cutting 3, how many still remaining? Only 1. So that means 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So that means 2 is the wrong answer, right? So we have to put a cross mark on the number 2 as we get wrong answer. Yes or no, everyone? Whenever you are starting your CW of your chapter number 4 subtraction, one thing which is important, you have to start a new lesson with a new page. कोई बात नहीं अगर आपके इससे आगे वाले पेज में स्पेस भी है तो भी every time whenever you start a new lesson, you have to start from the new page. Got it? So on a new page, first of all, you have to mention date. आपको डेट सबसे पहले मेंशन करनी है ऑन द कॉर्नर. टुडे इज़ 28, so I am mentioning 28. So today's date I have mentioned 28/7/21 2021. Clear? Afterwards, here after leaving some space, you have to mention chapter number and chapter name, heading. So chapter number 4, which is your subtraction. So SUBTRACTION, subtraction. On the top you have to mention chapter number and chapter name. After completing this, you have to leave this one line. आपको ये एक line छोड़ देनी है. And then from here, this heading, this margin also you have to leave it. And here you can mention your exercise number or question whatever given in your PDF form. आपको जो PDF form में question लिखा होगा exercise 1 या question 1, आपको वो लिखना है यहाँ पे. Suppose मैं अभी यहाँ पे ऐसे कर रही हूँ मार्क, ठीक है. Suppose आपको दिया है solve the following, or you can given you have to mention the exercise name. अगर solve the following है, whatever given in your PDF form, that question you have to copy over here after leaving one line. Okay? After completing this, again you have to leave one line and then you have to start. जहाँ पे यहाँ question mention किया ना, वहाँ पे ही आपको question, suppose आपका question number A है, so you have to mention question number A, right? After this you have to leave one line and here ये दो lines है ना, तो यहाँ पे ones and O and T which shows your places of the number. After mentioning question, you have to leave one box. T and O means ones place and a tens place, right? Right. Here, suppose आपका first question है 5 minus 4. So ones place पे यहाँ पे next box में here you have to write down 5 और उसके नीचे यहीं पे same box में यहाँ पे mention करना है 4, right? And then you have to draw a line like this. And आप देखो माइनस की साइन स्टूडेंट्स क्या है, बाय मिस्टेक यहाँ पे पुट करती हूँ. यू डोंट हैव टू, यू हैव टू पुट ओवर हियर, जहाँ पे हमने ये बॉक्स चुना ना यहाँ पे, So 5 minus 4, you have to write down it like this. Then 5 minus 4, as we get answer 1. So here answer same place पे नीचे 4 के नीचे यहाँ पे बॉक्स में आपको ऐसे 1 मेंशन करना है. Then afterwards students, after completing one sum, you can leave 1, 2 or 3 or only 1, 2 box and start from here. And here you have to mention, यही जहाँ पे क्वेश्चन A मेंशन किया था वही लाइन में क्वेश्चन B. After leaving this 2 box, again same, leave 1 box, tens 1, so that means 1's place and a 10's place. Suppose your second question is 6 minus 2, so 1's place first you have to mention 6, on the next box 2, then draw a line and put minus sign over here. Then 6 minus 2, we get answer 4. So 1's place same place पे next box में आपको यहाँ पे answer mention करना है. Clear? Now after completing question B, here you can see not more space. So you have to leave this line. Answers के बाद वाला ये box पूरा, right? This one line you have to leave it and start from the next line. Here A, wherever you are mentioned on the same line here, you have to mention your question number C. Understood? Same box में after leaving one line. Same procedure, same. Leave this line, ones and a tens. Right? Suppose 4 minus 4. So same you have to do it. Then answer if you are getting, so here 1's place you have to mention your answer 0. Okay. After completing C, 1, 2, in the same box wherever you mention B, on that same box you have to mention question D. So same procedure you have to follow it. Okay. After completing D and C, again leave this line and here same box you have to mention your question number E. Completed question number E, ones and tens, right? Like this. And after completing E, here same F, ones and a tens minus like this. So आप देख सकते हो अब यहाँ पे आपकी स्पेस नहीं है. So on the page you can write only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sums. So don't worry, if you don't have a space, you can go to the next page. And on the next page, same procedure you have to follow.